What's up, guys? Today I have an Amazon review for you. So this is a company. It has 6 different gel polishes in here you're going to need to soak off UV or LED cure, and it's called Run and Rock, just something magical. So I love the packaging they have going on, really cute, and we have to try it out. Okay, so when you turn on the bag, instead of having a separate piece of paper, they have the instructions on the back, the directions. They have pictures for you as well, so you can understand that. And then it lets you know it is a low smell, non-toxic, safe for the skin, and natural resistant. And then it gives you the ingredients in here, because a lot of companies don't tell you the ingredients. It tells you it's made in China. It gives you the directions and caution, which you need to be cautioned about, which they normally don't do that for you. But I'm really liking how they have the instructions on the back, and then in the front they have a cute little packaging. So let's get into it and see what these polishes are about. Hey guys, what's up? Today I am bringing you another Amazon gel polish review. So guess what I got today? I have this polish right here. I ordered from Amazon. This is the name of the company. It says Professional Gel Polish. 6 gel polishes, Run and Rock, just something magical. And these are 7.5 milliliters, 0.25 flow ounces, soak off UV LED cured. So you're gonna have to have you a lamp today for these. I like the packaging of this company. It's really cute, so it's giving us like sports gym vibe. Now the purpose of me buying this is because I wanted some shimmer. So in order for us to get into it, I had to buy one of these, and I like the shimmer. So let's go ahead and check them out. So they gave us 6. We only got 5 fingers, so we're gonna just pick the 5 that we really like, and then the rest of them, we catch them later. So this is what it looks like when you open it up in the package right here. These are kind of small compared to the normal size bottle. I always tell you the normal size bottle looks like this, and these are pretty small, but you only use stuff like this like when special occasions. You're not using it all the time, so that's not a big deal at all. Okay, so let's go ahead and flip them to the top. Now if you look at the top, they have the number, and they show you like the shimmer of it. So this is 623 right there. Hopefully you can see it. And then they got 624. What's that number, y'all? 625, 626, 27, and 28. Okay, so we're gonna actually open them up and check them out. So today I have my model, Tiffany. Tiffany, how you doing? So Tiffany got her hands done. So I did go ahead and already put the base coat on them, and then she had like some little stuff because me and homegirl was participating in doing this. So I'm gonna take out the first one, and we're gonna look at the color and see what it looks like. And this is the bottle. So let's open it up. Ooh, this is like a pink shimmer. Okay, cute. Now the velocity of this polish is pretty thick. It's real thick. It's not runny, but it's thick. It's giving me cotton candy. Okay, so let's go ahead and paint the pinky finger this cotton candy. Ooh, y'all don't need one coat. Like, you don't have to go and polish it, cure it, and then do it again. Okay, I'm liking. I like. Okay, I like when they pretty thick, but this is too thick, like thick. But this is cute. Yeah, I know we're not here for like the technique of polishing very cute. I'm just here to make sure y'all get the feel of the polish. So if you're looking for like a shimmer, that's cute. Now, is it giving me like pink that I'm seeing on here? No, it's giving me a white shimmer. But it says it's supposed to be like a shimmery pink. When you open up the bottle, it's giving that, but it's giving me like a white with a hint of pink with shimmer in it. Okay. So let's go to the second one. Oop, let me turn it around. And this is the second one, and it's 625, and it's supposed to have like a blue color to it. So let's check out and see what the blue look like when we open it. Okay, it's giving me white with a little hint of blue, and the velocity of this polish is very thick again. So let's go ahead and take that ring finger and polish it up one good time. Oh, okay, so when you put it on the finger, I am getting blue. I am getting blue. Okay. I'm getting blue. But like the shimmer is there. So if you're looking for like some shimmer in your polish, it is definitely there, but it's more like a milky white is the base. So maybe if you like polish I wouldn't even say polish underneath because you're not even gonna see it. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Alright, so that's supposed to be like a hint of blue. It's okay. I didn't do a good job polishing that either. So forgive me if you're like, girlfriend, you're not polishing pretty well. Because this is a mannequin. Tiffany, whoever did her nails before I got some, they didn't do a good job. So she's trying to get a cover up today. Okay, so it's giving me a little hint of blue in here. The velocity of this polish is very, very thick, y'all. And then the reason why it has this on here, because we're going to see if you can do like a cover up. So I wouldn't polish anything underneath it because you're not going to be able to see it. And I would say if I was to do this on someone's hand for real, I probably will try to thin this out. Because, baby, this polish is thick. Okay. And that's supposed to be 624, and it's supposed to have like this blue situation to it. Oh shoot, I done touched that one. It'll be alright. So the next one we're gonna do, Tiffany, back your hand up please, and thank you. So the next one we're gonna take out is 625, and it has like a reddish tint color to it. So let's see. Yeah, it's like a reddish pink. Okay, and the velocity is thick, y'all. This polish is very thick. Okay, so let's go ahead and polish the next finger. Okay, so this one is showing like it has a tint of red on the label, but when you polish it, it's giving you a pinkish red. So I really like this one. This one's giving me what I see on the label, okay? Yeah, I like this. Okay, yeah. This is what I was looking for. Like, give me what you're telling me. But you notice once you let it sit, it actually is turning the color that it says on the bottle. So I mean, I wouldn't trip too much because that's supposed to be blue right here, and this is giving me like a greenish, and this is giving me a pink. So yeah, it's coming along. Let's tilt her hand around. So yeah. And again, it's thick polish. Like, it's no joke. This polish is really thick. So yeah, once they sit, it's giving you what you ask for. All right, so let's go to the next one. 626. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that's a thick pink. So let's see. Might look like that one. Hopefully not. Okay. It's like a pinkish purple. Okay. So this is like a pinkish purple, y'all. Okay. And again, the velocity of this polish is really thick. Okay, I like it. Now you see I didn't go all the way up to the cuticles because Tiffany nails is coming out. I don't know why. Like, Tiffany, get it together, okay? So that's cute. It's giving a pinkish purple. Pink. It's blue. This is still giving me a green. Okay, so between these two, let's see which color we want to go with. Let's go with this, with the thumb. It might be giving us like a grayish shimmer. So let's open it up. These things on here are tight. Oh, it's another pink. Okay, let's go check this one out. So let's just turn Tiffany finger around. So the top is giving us like a grayish color, but when we polish it on there, it's giving us a pinkish purple. Oh, I think I like this one better. Okay, so let's just slather this on. And again, the velocity of this polish is really thick, y'all. So one coat really will work, and then it will cover up. Like if you doing like a design or something, it's going to cover it up. So it's not like you got to keep polishing over and over. Even if you do a thin stroke, you don't have to keep polishing over and over. So I'm gonna let this cure for 60 seconds, 30 minutes, and then take it out, put 30 minutes in there. But this is a mannequin, so she's gonna go for 60 seconds, and then when I take her out, we're gonna see if the colors changed or anything. So let's go ahead and stick her in there. Alright guys, so I did let it cure for 60 seconds. When you use this type of polish, you want to make sure everything cures for 60 seconds when you're polishing anybody's hand and you're using this type of polish. So I want to say this worked out pretty well because the colors are giving a shimmer once you dry it. Even though when we was polishing them on there, they was looking like the same colors, but they actually are not. And this is what I'm talking about, Tiffany nail just coming out, okay? Now, this is giving us like a greenish color, which is cool, and I like it. So this is giving us like a green, tilt the green, and that was 623. And actually it does say it has like a hint of green in there, so that's cute. And then 624 is giving us blue, which it said it was going to give us blue. 625 said it was going to be like a popcorn, not popcorn, cotton candy color, and that's what it's giving us. 626 is giving us a purple, and it's giving us a purple. And then we flip over to the thumb and we did 628, and it's giving us like a purple pink with the shimmer to it. So this is the polish that I tried out from Amazon, from this company. I will say the velocity of this polish is pretty thick, so one coat will work. If you're a good polisher, you know, I just did this for fun or whatever, it will cover up any cover-ups. I really do like this, and this is a cute like Easter, spring type of feel vibe, or somebody that just like to do designs. You can do designs with these if you use your design pen. I think they're really cute, so I like it. And only thing about it is the velocity is pretty thick. But I mean, if you can work a way around that, I would purchase this collection. And out of 10, I would recommend this to be a 6. If it wasn't so thick, I would be on board with it, but it's pretty thick for me. But I would give it a 6 because it's too thick, but the colors are true to it. You just have to trust the process, okay? So until next time, we will do another Amazon Polish Company review, and if you're interested, I'm here for you. Oops, that's not what I want.